Welcome to the Fit Test Solutions training video on how to manage your administrator and user rights under your Fit Test Provider license. Once you purchased your Fit Test Provider license, you should have received an email from info@fittestsolutions.com that provided you with a link to activate your license key. Once you log back into the Fit Test website, you will be logging into the application as the license administrator. You will be taken to a welcome screen that also identifies your license type as either a single or multi-user license in the tan box at the top of the screen. The example here is a multi-user license. If you look at the screen header, you will also see a welcome message to the license administrator. The name associated with this message is the username that you used to purchase your license. As the administrator, you have the ability to edit the profile of the license so that your address, logo, and contact information show up on the final reports printed out for your clients. You will also be able to decide whether or not the client records entered can be accessed by all users. As the administrator, you have the ability to add users and manage the list of users, including their passwords and individual profile. Once clients are entered into the system, you will have the ability to look up clients as the administrator, but you do not have the ability to enter new clients. Let's go over editing your profile. Click on the Edit Profile button at the bottom of the Welcome Administrator screen. You will be taken to a screen where you are able to customize your practice name, practice description or tagline, and contact information. We use the department line item to customize the practice description. You can also upload a JPEG file for your practice logo. To enable the client share function between users, you need to click on Clients to be seen by all users. This function must be turned on if you are going to conduct large-scale fitness physicals where clients move from station to station to complete their testing. Under the Share function, client accounts will reside with the originating clinician, but can be looked up by other users using the client's last name. If the client share function is turned off, then the client accounts can only be seen by the originating clinician using their unique username and password. Let's look at adding users. Go to the Add Users tab at the top of the screen header, and you will be taken to a screen that looks like this. Here, you will add unique usernames and passwords for each licensed user. If this is a single license user, you will add one user, which may be yourself as the administrator. If this is a multi-user license, you can add the number of users up to your license limit. Remember that the usernames and passwords here must be unique and distinct from your administrator username and password, the one that you used to purchase your license, because you do not have access to full functionality of Fit Test Solutions when you log in as the administrator. Each user then has the ability to go in and edit their own profile. For consistency's sake, as the administrator, you may choose to edit each of the users' profiles so that they all have the same content and logo. You can manage your user list by going to the List Users tab on the screen header on the administrator's welcome page. Here, you can edit usernames and passwords and even change your users. Now you are ready to use Fit Test Solutions. If you are one of the users, you can log out and log back in under your license username and password, and you will see the Add Client function appear on your home screen. Welcome to Fit Test Solutions.